What's up, our watch friends? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sinal and I just recently created my YouTube channel and I try to reviewing all the product I'm selling in my startup. So today I have something special that I want to show all of you, which is this particular timepiece that I just got it from Longines. And this is the watch that I bought for my client in Germany. I also would like to review in this watch, and if you have any ideas, want to know about this watch, you can comment in the below so that I can answer as soon as possible. So let's unboxing this watch together. So this Longines coming with when you open the box, there's this two manual books. One is manual book and one is a warranty box. So this is from Longines, and there's a warranty card that the client bought before, because this is a second-hand one. So there's a warranty card that already existed with the date that they have bought, which is the 1st of August 2003. And there's a model inside it with serial number of the case. So let's just look inside furthermore. So this is the box of the watch. This shape of the box is very special. As you can see, it's not like the normal box, but this shape is very interesting. And this watch model called Conquest Heritage, and it's released in 2003. So this model is a real 18-karat gold watch that built inside the case, the indicator, and also this booklet. And this is a real gold 18-karat 750, and the model of this watch is L1.6.4.18. So this watch is very special. As you can see at the back of the watch, they have European logos on it, and they also stated Longines automatic waterproof. So this particular watch, model Conquest Heritage, in my opinion, there's three features of this particular model. The first one is the durability of the watch. Second one is the historical of the watch, and third one is the technique of the watch manufacturer from Longines. So they feature three features are from the company and built into this watch. So why do we invest in a gold watch rather than a stainless steel watch or a fashion watch? In my opinion, this gold watch have a really high value in a long-term investment, maybe in 5-year times, because this particular watch is considered as a vintage collection. People are collecting it, and as you know that the gold price in the market are increasing, so the longer the watch you keep, the better the price that you can sell in long run. Also, this also talk a little bit about the info of this watch. This watch have a 38.5 diameter millimeter of the case diameter, and it weighed about 88.7 gram. This comes with a leather case, as you can see, a leather bracelet, the leather bracelet, and yes, that is perfect size for me and also most of people, because it's not too big, it's not too small, and I think that 8.5 is the perfect size. As long as below 42 is the correct size, because it's classics, it's elegance and luxury, so it fit really well in your wrist. So I also can like wearing, and so that you can see how well it is to put on the wrist. So wear it. See, so it fit perfectly on the wrist, and it fit really super dressy, super fancy. It just make you look elegant and even better in when you go out for a party or some wedding. So it just fit really perfectly on the wrist. So in the verdict, do you think that is it worth to invest this kind of collection gold made watch? In my opinion, it is really worth, because it just does not make you the style look better. It's also an investment that you can pass on through generation, because the quality of this watch is exceptional. Yep, thank you so much. So I think that's it for me today for this review. So if you have any question, you can ask me. And thank you for watching my video. And if you like my video and want to see me to continue reviewing more product, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. See you next time.